today, you take 3 more points. Because we collect the points after finishing and see who take the gold medal each session. Now you can see the screen.
Mama.
Okay, Adia, let's start. Banan, hello. Welcome back. Are you ready for the competition today, Banan?
Yes.
Super. So prepare yourself because today the competition will be hard. The exam is only after a few days, so let's start with the first question. Question number 1. Which of the following solid shape can be made with these 6 bricks? A or B or C or D? We write the answers on the chat box, عادية. On the chat box, you can just write A or B or C.
Mama.
So let me see. Banan, what's your opinion? A or B or C or D? Banan, what's your opinion?
I'm still trying to do it.
Okay, and عادية?
I wrote it in the chat.
Okay, please can you write again because it's not sent.
I wrote it again.
Yes. And now Banan. Okay, عادية. If you take the hard, that means you take a 3 points, okay? And also you have a 3 points because you come the first one today. So you will collect the points after the at the last of the session and see who will collect more. Of course, the 2 smart girls gave the true answer. When we collect the bricks, we found 4 gray and 2 white. Only D has 1, 2, 3, 4 gray and 2 white. So you are correct. Now, next question, number 2. The board beside is formed by little white and dark squares after 90 degree. You know 90 degrees, so you will flip like this. If you stand, it's gonna be turn 90 degree. How can this board appear after 90 degrees? So this line will be stand. So which one will be correct? A or B or C or D or E?
I did that.
Okay, good job. So, Banan, what's your opinion? Banan, what's your opinion?
I don't know.
Okay, let's think. If this line comes here, so it's gonna be black, let's see, or blue, blue, white, blue, white. So we will cancel this. Maybe, okay, cancelled, cancelled, cancelled. So which one now is true? Only from one line, when you turn it 90 degree, you will find blue, white, blue, white. So this is not blue, not blue, not blue, not blue. So only D you can answer. Good job, Adaya. Grade 6 today are brilliant. Hello, Rancy, join us. Okay, now next two questions. We will make it hard and two questions together, okay? So you will write the number with the question with the answer. Are you ready, Rancy?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, question number 3 and 4. Okay, now you can see Maria has exactly 9 white and 9 gray and 9 dark.
I don't have a chat.
Okay, you can say the answer. You can open the mic and say, okay?
Okay.
Maria has 9 white, 9 gray, and 9 dark, all in the same size. So if she glue all together, which cube will be the true one? Which cube? To give you a hint, you will collect 9, 9, 9. So if I found 10 white, it will be wrong. If I found 8 gray, it will be wrong. So which one will be the true? In the exam, you will think with the cubes, add this with the numbers. Think again, Adiyah. Good job, Adiyah. Banan, Ransi.
It's A, I think.
Good job, Ransi. Banan, what's your opinion? Let's count. How many white cubes do you have here, Banan? Banan, how many white cubes do you have?
9.
Hello, Frida. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how many gray? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will cancel. And here also, how many white? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cancelled. You will keep doing like this, so all of them will be not correct. Here you will find also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 white, and you have only 9 white, so you will cancel. Also here you will find a 10, so only A will be correct. Now question number 4, it's very easy. When you look from above, which one will be correct? When you look from above. Ransi, don't answer. Ransi.
I'm thinking now.
Okay, when you look from above. So when you
Oh,
look from
yeah,
above,
I know.
it's gonna be here.
C. It's C.
Good job. It's gonna be C. I think all of you answered. So anyone wants to ask? Let's go next. This question need to think. Question number 5 and question number 6. You need to think about this.
Teacher.
Okay. Now the faces of a die are either white
Teacher,
or gray or black.
how you gonna give me the points? How you gonna
will
give me the
collect with
points?
yourself. When I say correct, you will give yourself 3 points. But some
So I
question,
have 2 points, right?
okay, some question will be with a 4 or 5 points. I will tell you, okay?
This one with
Now just
3
be with me.
points.
Yeah, all of this till now is the 3 points. Now the faces of a die are either white or gray or black, opposite faces. So if you have a cube, you must know how to draw a cube. There is more ways to draw a cube, but I prefer this way. Okay. Now, opposite faces are always different. So if the face up will be black, down must be white or gray, not black and black. Which following net does not belong to such a die? So let me try the first. I will draw. You will solve with me this question. Adaya, what you think? Start with any face as the above. I start from the above question.
The white one?
Okay, so let's start from this.
Yes.
Okay, but for me, it's just a notes for you. Start with a one that you have nearest, so you can fold easily. Okay, so I will start from a black or a gray. I will start from the black one. So up will be black and from the side will be gray. Yeah, if I fold from here, so it's gonna be this. Next also will be gray. So the opposite of the gray will be white. Of course, down will be white. Nearest to the gray, look, nearest to the gray will be down white. And the last one here will be black. Now let's see. Up black, down white, black, gray, gray, white. So it's not this. Let's try the next. Ransi, which one you wanted to prefer to be above?
I think
For
it's
me,
D.
I will take white. No, it's not D. And just I explain for you how to imagine the net cube. Okay, I will take this at the above, so it's gonna be white. Why I take this? Because look, I
Oh,
have
teacher, now I
four.
know. It's E, right? It's E.
Now I take this is above because if all the sides
True?
around, all the faces around, it will be easily for me to imagine. So it's gonna be white here, and from here white, gray, black, black. So of course down gray, black, gray, white, black, white, gray, so it's not this. Now you can think between C or D or E. I explain for you the idea for the question.
Teacher, it's
Mm.
E. It's E.
We will see after Adaya, Frida, and Banan solving, I can tell you. So now it will be between C and D and E. Okay, now Ransi and Frida is correct. Adaya, can you imagine with me now? I will take this. Black will be above, okay? عادية.
Okay.
Okay, so above will be black. Now, this side will be?
Black.
And the other side?
Gray.
Okay, and this side?
Gray.
I take the gray, I take the black and the gray. So this side will be here, right? So it's gonna be?
White.
White. Okay, this gray will be nearest to the black, so it will be down. This gray will be down here, right?
Okay.
And the white will be the last one here. Look now, the white and white as opposite. Is it correct now? We say the opposite will be different. So this is correct?
Yes.
No, it's not correct. We say different. And white with the opposite of white. Two
Incorrect.
white faces, so it's not true. So we will choose E, not D.
Okay.
D, you will find the black in the opposite of gray and the gray in the opposite of white, so it's not correct. Okay, let's think about number 6. I think number 6 is easy. If you have this blocks, which shape you cannot make? If you have this blocks, which shape you cannot
Teacher,
make? Hmm?
can I solve and
Yeah.
sticks?
Okay, but I need from you to tell me the answer so I can give you the heart. Frida, Banan, Ransi.
It's D. Right? I think that.
I will tell you if it's right. So now, what's your opinion, Banan? Rima, welcome. You are late.
Miss, I came early, but I did not answer.
No, just answer. If your chat box not working, you can tell me, like Ransi.
Okay.
But we are happy that you join us. Okay, now I will tell you the answer will be E. So excellent, Rima, Banan, عادية. Why I choose E? Look, I take this 3. I take this 3. If I take this 3, I cannot make here. And also, if I take this 3, I cannot make with this 2. So only E I cannot make. Any questions? Any questions? Let's go to the challenge. Now, 3 questions. 7, 8, 9. Now, in a 1 minute, I need the 3 questions. And it's easy, by the way. For the smartest student in the world, this is easy. 7 and 8 and 9. Just 1 minute, then I will close the chat box. Okay, let's make it as a 7 and 8 and leave 9 now. 7 and 8 only.
I think it's C, right?
The first question?
It's gonna be C, yeah.
We will see.
8, it's gonna be A or not?
We will see. This is for Ransi. Now I'm waiting for the others. Max colored in the square with the grid. So that 1/3 are blue and 1/2 are yellow. The rest will be in red. How many squares does he have in red? Just a hint for you, to count all the squares, you will multiply the column with the row. How many will be in the column? 3. And in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 multiply 6 will be 18. Of course, you will not calculate all of this, so just multiply how many squares in a row and how many squares in a column, then you can multiply. Okay, now question number 7 and 8. Rima, Freda, Banan.
Teacher is gonna be E, right? E.
You will see.
The first one, I mean.
The first one is C. You are right. Banan, where are you? Freda, where are you? Give yourself a heart, Ransi, because you tell me it's C. 18. 1/3 of the 18. So 1/3 means divide by a 3. So it's going to be 6 blue. And 1/2 from the 18. So it's going to be 9. 6 and 9 equals 15. So the left will be only 3. So you are true. Question number 8. Just a hint for you, question number 8. Now you have two different shapes to calculate. So you will make the two shapes are the same. You can draw lines to make this the same shapes, so you can calculate the
Question number 8.
number 8. A rectangle is twice as long as wide. So this line may be 2 centimeter and this line is 1 centimeter. Which fraction of the rectangle is colored in a gray? So to make any fraction, the colored will be up and the total will be down. So I need to calculate how many gray for how many as total. So now I just have a half of a rectangle and here a rectangle. If I just make this line, so I will found two rectangles are the same like this. This is a hint for you. Up, gray or colored, down, total, all, down, all, not white. So I think all of you must think again. Up, colored, down, all the part that you have. All of you answered wrong, and it's easy question. Okay, let me tell you something. If I cut from here, so how many gray I have now? Freda, how many gray?
Teacher,
Yeah,
I think that it's 1/2.
Freda, I think she's not here. So Adia,
Oh, teacher, now I know it's C, right? It's C.
Adia.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now how many gray bars you have?
3.
Okay,
Two.
and as a total, how many? All gray and white. I have 2 here and 2 here. Also, if I still making like this, so it's 2. Of course, I will make 2 from this side. So now, how many parts do you have?
8.
Yeah, 3/8. Only Banan answered the true. Now, question number 9. Just I will give you time to think, then we will solve together.
Teacher,
Anyone
B,
wants to
I
ask?
think. B.
Yeah, it's gonna be B, but time is up. So any question about this?
Okay.
Any questions? Hello, Lena. Join
No,
us in a
miss.
question number 9. Question number 9, Lena. Now think about question number 9, then we can. A big cube is made up of 9 identical blocks. Each building block looks like this. 2 gray and white. Which big cube is possible? So I will give you a hint. For this, it's correct. And for this, it's wrong. White, 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 it's not here. So cancelled. For this, it's correct. But for this, it's not correct. So cancelled. Now I leave you 3 choices.
Teacher, I think it's E, right?
We will see.
Okay.
Okay, now who is correct? Only Rima. And عادية. There is a balance between grade 5 and grade 6 in the points. Okay, why we cancel D? Look at here. No, we can. This is correct, but this is wrong. Black, white, white, wrong. Also look at the last one. But on A, this is true. Look from this side and from this side. So only 9 is true. Lena, why you don't join us? Where's your answer? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, you can write the answer on the chat box, Lena. Okay. Do you have any
Teacher.
questions? Yeah.
Teacher, I didn't have.
Now question number 10 and 11. This is easy. What maximum number of pieces like this? I make it like letter L sleeping that can be cut from 5 and 5 square. So you will count maybe like this or this, log 2 and 3 or this. So you will get the maximum number that you can. You will keep trying till you get the maximum number and fill most of the squares.
Teacher, I don't have a space in the sticks.
So I can bring a paper.
Or can I write in the second phase because the sticks
Of course.
have 2
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss, I'm not using my stick.
Hmm?
I'm not using my stick.
For any paper, no, because Rancy doesn't have a chat box, so I tell her to write on the sticks so she can calculate the score that she brings.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna use a stick.
No, teacher, I write the answers that I make it in the notebook.
Good job. Now,
In the sticks.
the answer will be for question number 10. The answer will be... Lena, you can write the answer on the chat box. And also, if you have any question, you can write on the chat box. try to cover most of the squares. So if you found a square that can be equals 5, that means you are wrong. If you have 4 or 5 squares empty, that means you are wrong. Because you can
Teacher,
collect them.
I think it's C.
You say C. Let's see. Okay, now the true answer will be for عادية. And who else? Someone say D. Yeah, عادية, بنان. Who say D? It's actually D. I don't found another D. Okay, Banan, you say B. So let's see Banan. Banan, can you solve with me?
Okay.
Okay, let's try. I just trying. So if I make like this and from here, maybe from here like this, maybe from here like this. When I start making like this, I will find this is closed. But when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, I found I can make one. So now I get 4 and 1 is empty. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 is empty. So it's not 5. Let's try another one. Maybe I can get 6. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, now I found 6 and only one square I don't use, so it will be correct. Any questions? Question 11, try. Clara forms one big triangle made up of identical little triangles. She has already put some triangles. What will be the minimum number she can make? The minimum number of little triangles she has to add to make this a big triangle. So how many little triangles she must add? Try to get the minimum number. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. The minimum number of little triangles she has to add. How many? Only Freda, عادية, Banan, where? Joanna, we missed you. Lati, we missed you
Teacher,
also.
I think, teacher,
Donna.
I think it's B. I think
Yeah.
it's B.
So most of you are true. Lena, what's your opinion? You can write.
That's it true, teacher?
Yeah, this is true, so you can count. This is easy, so you can continue and cut the triangles.
Miss, is my mic?
If your mic is not working, so you can write on the chat box. If your chat box is not working, so you can open your mic. If the two is not working, you can imagine you tell me the answer and give you the heart. Now, any question about this? It's gonna be 9 when you
No,
try
so
to
it's
make it. Yeah, this is easy. Actually, I collect most of the same questions for shapes from the previous or from the past exams, so you can get hard for this question. I think now when you found any shape, you can solve. Okay, now number 12. It's easy also. For the game of chess, a new beast, the kangaroo, has been invented. With each jump of the kangaroo jumps either 3 squares vertically. Vertically means up or down. Vertically means up or down. Vertically means up or down.
Can you hear me, Mirina, now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, Miss. My internet is bad and I can't hear anything, so I'm trying to enter from 2 devices. So if this closed, the other is still open.
Yeah, you can
But in
change
the
the
previous-
Teacher,
browser.
I think it's B. Right, it's
Yes,
B.
Miss.
Okay, you
But in
can
the
change the
previous
browser and
question, I
join.
answered. Miss, in
Okay,
the
you can
previous
give yourself
question
the
and the
heart.
first
If you
one I answered.
answered correctly, you can give yourself the heart. Okay? Try to join from another browser or from any other device. Okay? Now, the kangaroo have to join 3 vertically and 1 horizontally. Horizontally means to the right or to the left, vertically up or down. Or
Teacher, so
this
it's gonna
the
be
jumps. Or
B, right? It's
3
gonna be B.
horizontal, 3 horizontal, and 1 vertical. So this is the jump or this. As the picture, which is the smallest number of the jumps to have must make to move from its current position to position A. So the kangaroo wants to come here. Only he can 3
C.
vertical,
I think C.
three horizontal, 1 vertical, or 3 vertical and 1 horizontal. So you can think.
Teacher, it's C, right?
Mm-mm.
I think that it's gonna
Mhm.
be A. A.
And also you will explain why you choose this. Okay, Banan, Rima, Freda.
B, teacher. I think B.
Banan, Rima, Lina.
Teacher, B, right? B.
We will see. Okay, let's think together. Rancy, what's your opinion? The kangaroo will jump
B.
horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Vertical, up or down?
Up.
Up. Like what? Like this? Okay, so it's gonna be 3 up and 1. Then
Then I think
hmm, I think the kangaroo must jump down because it is down, right? So let's try down.
oh yeah.
Okay, down vertical, then down horizontal, then down horizontal again. So he can reach. Now it's gonna be how many? 3, not 2.
I tell you B now.
I don't care about A or B or C. I care about you understand or not. You
I
understand,
understand.
Ramsey? Okay. Now question number 13. Banan, where are you?
I wrote my answer for number 12.
I don't see your answer. Yeah, it comes late. Donna, when you see the video, we missed you. Also, Joanna, Laati, Lena, other Lena. So we missed all of you. Now, 13. This is how you can imagine the cube that I learned you. You will draw the cube. I think you will take a number above and think about this. When you cover the cube, which two numbers, which number you must remove? Nina wants to make a cube from a paper net. You can see there are 7 squares and the cube has only 6 instead of 6. Which square can she remove from the net so that the other 6 squares remain connected, and from the newly formed net a cube can be made? So which face I must take? Or maybe 2 faces or 3 faces. So I will draw my cube and imagine when I fold this net, which face I have to remove. I think Rima will solve this question with me.
Yes, miss.
Yes, I'm just waiting for all of you to solve, then you will solve this question with me, okay? No one solve? Okay, we'll give you the hint. You have to put any face up, but I will choose 6 because 6 will be easier for me. Now, if I have 6, so I found 5 will be here. And of course, down will be 4. If I take 6, that means 7 will be here and 1 at the back. Now, if 1 at the back, that means I give you the hint. So now you can solve.
It's gonna be, I think, teacher, it's gonna be C, right?
We will see. Think again, Freda. Only Freda answered.
Teacher, but I tell you, I think that's gonna be C, right?
Think again. Okay, now Rima, what's your opinion?
It's E, right? E.
Miss, I didn't understand the question.
Okay, so let's solve together. When you fold this, this is a net for a cube. You remember this question? The net for a cube, that means the cube is open. So now we wanted to close this cube. But when we close, maybe you will not need one face because the cube has 6 faces. So one face you will not need. Let's close it and found which one you will not need, okay? So which face you will write above?
I think it is phase 1.
Anyone, anything.
Phase 1.
Anything. So you will write which number up? Above?
Oh, I want the top, I want it to be number 5.
Okay. So if 5 will be here, that means 6 will be here and 4 will be here. Till now, is this correct? Okay, so that means 1 up and 7 down. So 1 will be here and 7 will be here. Till now, this is correct?
Yeah.
Okay, after this 2 must be back, right? Down. This is 1. So when you fold from a 1, down you will found what? Rima, down you will found?
Down I'll find 2. I mean
2,
7.
good job. No,
No.
you take already 7. Then after 2?
3.
After 2, 3. But we have 7. So which one you wanted to remove? 3 or 7?
3 of 7.
Now you understand?
Uh-huh.
So if 4 and 5 cover on the same face, you will remove one of them, but you found 3 and 7. And also if you try from any other face to make above, you will get the same answer. You understand this way now? In all the exams for a kangaroo, you must have this question for a net of a cube. So of course you will found, inshallah. Next question. Anyone wants to ask about this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, question number 14. Question number 14. A square with a perimeter 48 centimeter is cut into into 2 equally big pieces. A square with a perimeter 48 centimeter is cut into 2 equally big pieces with one cut. They are fitted together to make a rectangle as shown in the diagram. How big is the perimeter for the rectangle? So the rectangle for this is 48. But we cut from the half and bring this side here. So it's going to be what? At the first, what is the rule for the perimeter of a rectangle? Who knows? The perimeter for the rectangle. Who knows the rule? We have a rule for the area and a rule for the rectangle. Sorry, we have the rule for an area
Teacher,
and a rule for the perimeter.
It's gonna be what? Number 13.
Number 13, D.
Yeah.
Okay,
What?
now who know the rule for the perimeter of a rectangle? Frida, you know the rule? Lina, you know the rule? Lina has a broken mic. Rima, you know the rule for a perimeter for a rectangle? Okay, now I will tell you. The perimeter is the line around the shape. So this in a blue line. Now the perimeter will be, this is a square. So the 4 sides will be equal. So you can multiply by 4. But for a rectangle, no, this is long and this is short. So it's gonna be long and long, short and short. So it will be too long and too short. Or we can add long and short together. This is a rule and you will use. So for the square, because all the sides are equal, you multiply by 4. But for a rectangle, no, long and short, that means too long and too short. And the perimeter is the line around the shape. But the area is to cover the shape, but we don't need the area now. I just tell you the rule. Okay, now, if the perimeter of the square is 48, and we know the perimeter for a square is 4 multiply length. So the length will be how many? Then after getting the length, you will add this. So the perimeter for the rectangle. Till now, no answer is correct. Till now, no answer is correct. Okay, I will help you for this question. Who can answer with me? Who wanted to answer with me?
C.
Okay, this question will be not calculated. So who wanted to answer with me? Adia, can you help me? Adia.
Yes.
Okay, can you help me? The length will be how many? We say the perimeter for the square will be 4. 4 multiply because all the sides will be equal. So it's going to be 4 multiply length. Now, if I say 4 multiply length equals 48. So the length will be how many? Inverse operation, remember. Divide. Inverse operation. 4 multiply how many give me 48, so I can divide by 4 to get the answer, right?
12.
12, excellent. So now I found this line, the length will be 12. Okay, so this is 12, and this is 12. So now the length for the rectangle will be, the length
20.
for the rectangle will be,
24.
good job. But the width will be how many? The width is not 12. This is a small line. This line equals how many?
4.
Not 4. You say all the line is 12. So this piece will be
3.
all this line is 12. Look, all this line is 12. So only this piece, yes, 6. So now the perimeter will be
30.
D. Excellent. Any question about this again? Any questions?
No, Master.
So you will get the rule 24 plus 6 multiply 2. Teacher, why we multiply 2? Because you have 2 lengths and 2 widths. So 24 plus 24 plus 6 plus 6 will be 60. Any questions? Okay, now question number 15. This is easy, but this is not with the rule. Just imagine. Thomas has made the following shape with 6 squares with side length 1. So this line will be 1. What will be the perimeter for the shape? The perimeter means the line around. So the line around will be how many? You can guess the answer. Sometimes you can get the number, the answer approximately, not the real value. Okay, now we found the last question. Rima, Ransi, what's your opinion? Rima, Ransi, what's your opinion? Okay, Banan, can you solve with me this question? Can you solve this question with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's calculate. From the side, I found 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Only this side I cannot calculate, right? Because this is very small, it's not 1. But also with this. So what's your opinion to move this? I will imagine I can move the blocks. So it's gonna be 3 down. What's your opinion to make the 2 like this? Now I change the value? No, because this is the same. Lock. Also up, what's your opinion to make this block here? Now I just move from this side or from this side, it's gonna be the same. Now we can calculate. So can you calculate with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when you calculate it as 11, you forget 1 block because you don't move the block. If you just move this block like this, you will find this one and get 12. You understand, Bayan? Banan?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can calculate your score and tell me in the chat box. I'm waiting to see who will take the gold medal today. I know some girls come late, some girls have a bad internet or not chat box, but I know all of you will smart, all of you will get the gold medal, inshallah. Freda, I think you have a bad internet today because you have the teams kick you out, I think. Adia, how many? You can collect the hearts and multiply by 3. Banan, till now, Banan, you have the more answer. Also, Adia, you have a 3 more because you come the first today. You have a 3 points more. So, Banan, till now, you take the gold medal. Congratulations.
Teacher, I got 22.
22. Wow. So till now, Ransi. Rima, how many?
I don't know how much points do they all count together. Like 3 points, 4 points.
All of them calculate as the 3. Who will take the gold medal? So till now, Banana and Ransi. Adia, Rima. So now I send 3 medals for the 3 first one. Thanks for joining me today. See you tomorrow and after tomorrow and after tomorrow. Don't be late because the first one take 3 more points. Love you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.